Another consequence of judicial vacancies and the lack of resources in the criminal justice or in the civil justice system is a lack of confidence that our communities today have when it comes to judges, when it comes to court administration, and even when it comes to individuals like me who are lawyers, trying to do the best that we can, but because of all of the restraints, are not always able to work to our optimum. And so we believe that we have to continue to not only fill judicial vacancies, but make sure that we're filling those vacancies with people who really care about the law, who are in it for the right reasons, who represent all of the cross sections of our society. This is not just about getting more women elected to or appointed to the bench, or minorities appointed or elected to the bench. Those are important goals that we should continue to strive for. But it's also about making sure that judges understand that maybe sometimes a cop did plant that evidence, or maybe that person really did have their hand on the steering wheel when they were suspected of reaching for a weapon. That maybe when a person like Freddie Gray in Baltimore is alive when he gets into a police van, but when he arrives at the station is dead, and there's not a lot of explanation for that, maybe it means that we need to put a little bit more resources into our system so that people feel confident about it. We have a whole series, in fact, just not today and yesterday, of police shootings. And whether they were justified or not, you have a situation where our society does not trust the judicial system, does not trust law enforcement. And a lot of that is because they don't see their grievances being adequately addressed in these systems. And so what do you turn to sometimes when you're frustrated and you lack other means of exercising your power? Violence, riots. That is why access to justice, our court system, our penal system, that is what is supposed to provide an alternative to people taking matters into their own hands and creating an uncivil society when we're supposed to be moving towards a civil society.